Assalamualaikum, grade 5. How are you all students? Hope you all will be fine. Today is 24th May and Monday. Grade 5, open up your smart mathematics books, page number 36, question number 2. Page 36, question number 2, build up. You can see this question. Find the HCF of 4 and 6. So, to find the HCF, highest common factor of 4, 6 and 8. Now look at the procedure. To find the HCF of 4, 6 and 8, we will write the factors of 4 first. The factors of 4 are 1, table of 1, 1 4 times 4, table of 2, 2 2 times 4 and 4 1 times 4, 1 2 and 4. Okay, you can make the pair first, okay, for the factors. So now factors of 6, 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, these are the numbers that divide the 6 without leaving a remainder. So the number that divides 6 exactly without leaving remainder are called the factor. You already know that. And factors of 8, 1 2 4 and 8. So now we have to find out the common factor between 4, 6 and 8. Common factors of 4, 6 and 8 are कौन से हैं? 1 is the common. In all three numbers में you can see 1 is common, 2 is again common, and what about the 3? No. And 4 is only in two numbers and not, we can't see 4 in the 6. So we can say only 1 and 2 are the common factors of 4, 6 and 8. Okay, 4, 6 and 8 के common factors क्या हैं? 1 and 2 हैं. And what is the highest number? वो होता है highest common factor जो होता है वो factor होता है that is greater in value. So 1 and 2 is the both are 1 and 2 both are the common and 2 is the greater. So that's why we will write the 2 is the highest common factor. So grade 5, you have to do question number 2. Now look at the board. Question number 2. Question number 3, what is the highest common factor of 4, 8 and 12? You have to do question number 2, 3, 2, 3 and on page number 35, grade 5, you can see a square grid. On the square grid, the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shown by different colored dots. For example, orange color shows all the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now you can see this is the factors of number. These are the factors vertically and these are the horizontally are the numbers. So what are the factors of 1? Number 1, this is the number 1 and number 1 ka only 1 is the factor of 1. What about the 2? Can you see it clearly? Now see this. 1 is the only factor of 1. So now what about the 2? 2 1 का जो है वो only 1 ही factor है, कोई factor नहीं, only 1 ही है, that's you can write 1. So what about the 2? 2 has only 2, 1 and 2 both 1 multiplied by 2, 2 1 time 2 होता है. Okay, only 2 factors 1 and 2. 3 also have only 2 factors 1 and 3. So put the dots 1 in next to the 1 के आप यहाँ डॉट लगा देंगे 3 के और 3 के सामने यहाँ पे डॉट लगा देंगे 4 के कौन से 1 है, यस, इन द नेक्स्ट टू द 1 के आप डॉट लगा देंगे. अगेन 2 भी है 4 का फैक्टर और 3 नहीं है, सो वी विल पुट द डॉट in next to the 4. So in this way you have to complete this grid. ठीक है. So wherever the number that you can see are the factors of the number, you have to next to the numbers के आगे आपने यहाँ पे ऐसे circles dots बनाने हैं and then join the dots. You can see the number of factors. For example, the factors of 10, 1 2 5 and 10. How many factors? 1 2 5 and 10. तो कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4 factors of 10. ठीक है. Now factors of 12, 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 itself. How many factors? 1 2 3 4 5 6 next to the 12 के सारे. You have to complete this grid also and then answer the questions on the book. Okay, grade 5, this is your task for today. You have to complete this grid on your book. Thank you so much.